Dream and ambition. 1. What was your childhood dream? As a child, my dream was to become a doctor. I have always been fascinated by the human body and the idea of helping others through medical practice. 2. Are you the kind of person who sticks to dreams? Yes, I am a determined and dedicated individual. I firmly believe in pursuing my dreams and am willing to work hard to achieve them. 3. What is your dream job? My dream job is to become a successful and compassionate medical doctor. I aspire to make a positive impact on people's lives by providing quality healthcare and making a difference in their well-being. 4. Do you think you are an ambitious person? Yes, I consider myself ambitious. My dream of becoming a doctor requires significant dedication and commitment. I am eager to continuously learn and grow in my field to achieve my professional goals.